These are the top 10 brawlers you need to have maxed out. And we start with Frank, who is the best tank at the moment with his insane HP and damage. And to counter tanks, your best choice is gonna be Colette. Next, we go to assassins. And for that, you can go with Melody, who has great mobility, and with Cordy or Surge, who are a solid counter pick. You will need a thrower too. Larry and Lori will always be the best ones out of the bunch. For snipers, I'd recommend Belle since she never gets nerfed. And to counter snipers, Pearl is secretly strong. Byron and Max are two high skill brawlers that are always consistent, and so is Amber, who is easier to play. And lastly, we got Gus, who is extremely OP and versatile at the moment. And my honorable mention goes to Grip. Imagine him with Hyper.